Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of c minus 7 is equals to c minus 7 and its whole square root. So here we solve this problem for the values of c, and you see here this is the radical equation, and we can solve the radical equation for the values of c. And here at the last we check that is this equation has solution or not, and here we can separate the extraneous roots if any exist. Okay, so here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we need to eliminate this square root sign. So in order to eliminate this square root sign, we need to take the squaring on both of the sides. So when we take the squaring, it will be written as square root of minus 7 and its whole square is equals to c minus 7 and its whole square root and its whole square. So further in the next step, here we use the nice algebraic formula in the left hand side, and you see here if we have a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. And you see here this is the value of a and this is the value of b. So according to the below formula, we write our left hand side of the above equation as first you have a square and our a is square root of c and its whole square minus 2 times of ab. Again our a is square root of c and b is 7 and plus b square, so b is 7 square is equals to, so this 2 and this square root are gone and we get here c minus 7. So in the next step we need some simplifications, and here we add or subtract the like terms. So you see here this 2 and this square root are gone and we get here c minus, this is 2 times of 7 becomes 14 times of square root of c plus this 7 square is equals to 49, and here we move these two terms in the left hand side. So this is plus c, when we move in the left hand side it will become minus c. This is minus 7, when we move in the left hand side it will becomes plus 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step, you see here this is the positive c and negative c are gone, and we get here this is minus 14 times of square root of c plus, here we have 49 plus 7, and 49 plus 7 is equals to 56, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here in the next step we because we solve this problem for the values of c, and now here first we need to remove this radical sign, so that's why we move all of the other terms to the right hand side. So in order to move this plus 46, we need to subtract both of the sides by 46 in this way. So we can subtract minus 56 in the left hand side and minus 56 in the right hand side, and you see here this is negative and positive are gone, and we get here minus 14 times of square root of c is equals to, this is 0 minus 56 is equals to minus 56. And now further in the next step, here we need to move this minus 14 to the right hand side. For this we divide both of the sides by minus 14. So here we divide both of the sides by minus 14 in this way. So this will becomes minus 14, and here again we have minus 14. So this term is cancelled out by this term, and this minus is cancelled out by this minus, and we get here 14 times of 4 becomes 56. So here we have square root of c is equals to 4. And now because we eliminate square root sign from left hand side, for this we again take a squaring on both of the sides in this form. And now you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here our c is equals to, here we have 4 square and 4 square is equals to 16. So this is the our final value of c, or this is the root of the given equation. And now here in the next steps we check that is this value of c is satisfied our given question statement or not, or in other words we check that is the c is the solution or is this value of c is the extraneous root. For this we verify this value of c, and now we first copy down the given question statement. Here it is square root of c minus 7 is equals to square root of c minus 7, and now here we just substitute this value of c on both of the sides of this equation. So when we put this value here, it will be written as square root of 16 minus 7 is equals to 16 minus 7 and its whole square root. And now further in the next step, you see here we know that the square root of 16 is equals to 4 minus this is 7 is equals to from right hand side we have 16 minus 7 is equals to square root of 9, and when we subtract the terms in the left hand side we get here 4 minus 7 is equals to minus 3, and in the right hand side we have square root of 9, and we know that square root of 9 is equals to 3. And here you clearly see that minus 3 is not equals to plus 3. This means that the value of c is equals to 16 is not satisfied our given question statement. So here we can just write that it is not satisfied our this given question statement. If this is not satisfied our given question statement, it means that c equals to 16 is not the solution of the given equation. So if this is not the solution, it means that this is the extraneous root of the given equation, because we know that the root that is not satisfied the given equation is called the extraneous root. So c equals to 16 is not satisfied this equation, so c equals to 16 be the extraneous root of this equation. And we say finally we conclude that the given equation has no solution because it has only one value of c, and that is not satisfied our given question statement. So this is our final conclusion about this question, and I hope so you understand this method and also you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting and interesting videos.